Hi, it's Mobile Max, 310-804-4185. Mobile auto repair, and I also can work on in my West Hollywood home. I can work at one car at a time. Anyway, mobile and one car at a time in my West Hollywood home, 310-804. Anyway, this is about doing the ABS unit on an 06 to 10 Volkswagen 2.5 liter. I changed the whole ABS because I could not connect with the module, and the ABS and brake light were flashing. So I decided to change the ABS module, and it sits in the left-hand corner, or actually the passenger side, the right-hand corner behind the air filter engine cover. Right here on the right-hand side, it's your left as you're facing it, right here in the corner. At any rate, you got to remove the air filter engine cover. That's pretty easy. It just snaps off, and you got to just take off this clamp right here, and then you can remove the complete cover. Also, right here, there's two screws holding this this boot on right here. You might have to take two screws off, star bit screws, and the one clamp, and then it just pops off this cover. And the ABS unit is in the corner there, and it's got 6 metal lines connecting it and one big plug. Basically, all you need is an 11mm wrench to take off the 6 lines, and there's 4 on top and 2 on the side right here. They're all 11mm, and then you got to pull up on a lever. A plastic lever pulls up and the plug comes out. But it's pretty straightforward. There's one 10mm bolt that holds it on, and then there's 2 little pins that fit in. So all you got to do is take off the 10mm bolt and undo all the metal lines, 6 metal lines, and pull the plug, and it comes off. But you must be very careful when you reinstall it, because that's where I made a mistake. What happened was I stripped, these are aluminum casings here, and it's very easy to strip the metal lines when you're installing them, and then it's going to leak. So you got to be very, very careful when you put the metal lines back in. They have to go in straight and flush, and you got to be very careful when you do it, or you'll strip them and it won't work, and you'll ruin the whole thing. Also, if you want to just change the module will come off. 4 torque screws hold the module on. So if you just want to change the module, that's possible also by just taking these 4 screws out, and the whole module comes off very easy. But the bottom line is this: when you reinstall it, be very careful about putting the metal brake lines on, the 6 brake lines that go 4 on top and 2 on the side. You must be very careful when putting those brake lines on, because if you strip them, you'll ruin your whole unit, and it won't work because it'll leak. So be very, very careful when you reinstall the 6 metal brake lines. Very careful. Do not strip them, or you'll have a whole world of problems. Thank you. This is Max, Mobile Max, 310-804-4185, and this was on an 06 to 10 Volkswagen 2.5 liter engine. The ABS unit, which is in the passenger side in the very corner up against the firewall. You have to remove the engine cover air filter in order to get to it. 310-804-4185. Thank you.